Alright guys, got the wireless charging stand from Samsung. Ordered this through Amazon on Prime Day. They had a sale, $29.99, and with sales and all of that, it came out to about $35 compared to this usual $50, so you save a little bit of money there. I went with the blue version. They had the black and the white version. This was the one that was on sale for that price. Samsung also has it on sale for $50, I believe. But here we see fast charge, key support, nice stand. So looks pretty nice. Resembles the DeckStation that I showed you guys. You also get your micro USB charger here. It's pretty interesting. Now I'm gonna have like 3 chargers on me, but it's cool. They're all similar, so I'll be able to just use one and for all my devices. Let me grab a knife real quick. Open this up. Alright, so in here, let's see what you get. The fast charge. You know what? This does not look like what they advertise. Not that it's bad. It still looks nice. You can see that LED indicator right there on the front. USB Type-C. So it still looks nice, but in the pictures it resembles leatherish, like a leather presentation. Let's see if it looks that way on here. But it's not really that, which is fine. It still looks good, but I think that might be another device that they have another version, and I believe that's probably what I saw as well. Alright, so what else we have in here? We have the charging brick, as I mentioned, and you have your USB Type-C. And this actually looks like it might be longer than the one that came with my S9. Which is pretty good, because then I will probably be switching to that one and using it, because the one on that came with the phone it's fine, but it's not really long. You have to stay pretty close to your charger. But this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. I'm a happy camper, happy with my purchase. I'll try plugging this in just so you guys can see how it works. Well, there's plenty of videos out there you guys can check out. This is just my opinion on what I got and what's in the box. Okay, I lied. The USB Type-C cable is about the same length as what you get with your phone. So, not a big difference there. So, I am a special breed. Oh, stupid. I was freaking out, like, where's my phone at? And I'm looking all the way everywhere for it. Come to find out, that's what I'm using to record. Well, isn't that smart of me? So, I'll take this off, actually. Okay, it gives no indication through, like, audio, but it's charging right now. So you have the charging light right here. So the light's right there. So once I place it on, it's gonna show it's charging. It'll light up. Alright, so it's charging. I take it off. It's still showing, just a little bit of lag, but it just shows you that it was charging. Charges both ways, no issues. I think I'm really gonna like this. Just something I can easily just throw my phone on and not worry about plugging it anywhere. Plus, I've had phones in the past where that repeated motion just going back and forth into the charging port broke it after a while. So this is pretty nice to have. One of the big reasons I actually went with the S9. So I'm a happy camper, like I said. Alright, hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. Peace.